In this lecture, we will discuss some of the basic concept of time to live value. Let us now understand what is the time to live value. TTL is a value used in the computer networking to limit the lifespan of data packets. This value is stored in IP header of the packet and it indicates how many hops the packet is allowed to take before it is discarded by a router. So TTL value basically dictates the term through which a data packet will live. So for exam we need to understand some default TTL values. Windows it is 128, Linux and Unix 64, and for Mac operating system it is also 64. So these values we need to understand for exam perspective. Okay, so what is the default TTL value of the Windows operating system? As we discussed, 128. Linux operating system, as we discussed, 64. Next question. Operating system that has TTL value of 64 and Windows size 5840. The answer should be Linux system. So Linux kernel 2.4 and 2.6 is 5840. That's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to access the full CEH course, please do check the link available at the description.